Guys, Boosted Whips here. We have Red Hornet on deck here. He brought in his car. We're gonna go ahead and be installing the DK Motion tail lights. He's going with the smoke versions, so that way you guys can go ahead and see the difference between the one that I installed earlier on another video on another Instagram follower of mine, which has a white. This one here is a Civic Si Sedan. So I wanted to, cover so you guys can see it also fits on the Sedan SI. And Red Hornet here has a really nice setup, as you guys can see. So we're going to go ahead and install this. I'm not going to show the installation just because I already have an install video. But I wanted you guys to see the before and then the after. So we're going to go ahead and get started, install these tail lights, and then show you how it looks at the end. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's with the blinkers on, and these are the smoke lights. It almost kind of gives it that Euro look to the car. Really nice. Sequential lighting for the turn signals, just have you seen on the other video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you when they're fully on, and brake light and whatnot. So right now, here's the turn signals. Alright guys, so here it is. This is with the lights on, brakes on, and hazards on. Gives the car a really nice look. Overall. So we're gonna go ahead and do the reverse light, and Red Hornet is gonna go ahead and step out and be out, and do his thing. So we're gonna wrap up the video, him taking off, and we'll finalize this video. Alright guys, so here it is with the reverse. Car looking really nice on Red Hornet here. Amazing build. Follow him on Instagram on Red Hornet. I'll put the description his information. So hope you like the video, guys. These lights are up for sale monthly on a group buy, so hit me up at boostedwhipsofficial@gmail.com for details. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching Boosted Whips. I'm out. Have a very blessed day.